In this clip, I'm going to show you some of the equipment and tools that we're going to use to put a finish and buff out our bowl. First thing are general Foodsafe finishes. This is a salad bowl finish, and there are several different manufacturers that make a salad bowl finish. Other finishes that you can use are oil finishes. This happens to be a walnut oil finish, and it's very, very good for utilitarian and food safe bowls. And this finish is a urethane oil finish. It tends to be a bit more durable and long lasting, and it also penetrates a little deeper into the wood. You always want to make sure that you have the proper gloves to put the finishes on, and of course you need to have the bowls. And you're also going to see that some of the finishes take 24 hours to dry. And in order to do that, you need to have something to place the bowl on. So I've made these little stands, are nothing more than a block of waste wood with some nails that were hammered in, and then I used a Dremel cutting tool to cut the tips off. And when I put those finishes on, and I want the bowl to dry, the finish is not marred in any way while the bowl is drying. And then once the finish is cured, we're going to use these linen wheels and this arbor on the lathe to buff out and put a nice sheen on the bowls.